Okay, I'm making this video to show you how to access QuickTime Player. So if you go up to the little magnifying glass up here and you click on it, it'll bring up this search bar right here and it'll say Spotlight Search, and you can type in QuickTime Player and it should pop up a drop down menu with QuickTime Player there for you to select, and you can double click it. And once you double click it, it comes down to the bottom right hand corner of your computer, and you can right click it and you can choose new screen recording, new audio recording, or new movie recording. Or you can come up to the top, select QuickTime Player, click on it at the bottom, and then come up to the top and go to File, New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, and New Screen Recording. I'm going to choose a screen recording. So like if you wanted to record a PowerPoint presentation, you would do New Screen Recording. And you can either choose a selected portion of the screen and it comes up with a selection, or you can record the entire screen. You can click on Options, and you can choose to use your built-in microphone, which I recommend. You can also set a timer of 5 seconds to get you started, but those are the only options that I would look at. And then once you have your options selected, you can click anywhere on the screen and it will start recording your screen. And it has a little stop button up here at the top. So I'm just going to open Google Chrome. So it should pick that up on the screen recording, and now I'm going to click stop. And then once I do that, you can see that when you click the stop button that's up there at the top, it will pull up your video on your desktop, and then you can hit play to review it. Screen. And it has a little stop button up here at the top. So I'm just going to open Google Chrome. So it should pick that up on the screen recording, and now I'm going to click. Okay, so we hit play. We know that our video recorded, and it recorded our voice, and you could record a PowerPoint, you could record anything that you wanted. And then you go up here to the top where the video is that's popped up on your screen, and you click the down arrow, and you can name it whatever you would like to name it. I'm going to call it Introduction Video. And then you select where you want it to go. I want it to save to the desktop. So once I do that, and I just click anywhere, you can see that the video saved on my desktop. So I'm going to close out of that. I'm going to X out of this. Okay, so say you wanted a video of just your face. You would click on the QuickTime Player down here at the bottom, or you would search for it with a magnifying glass if it wasn't here anymore. Go to File up at the top, and then do New Movie Recording. And then you follow the same steps. You hit record, and you do the movie recording, and it records your face. So I hope that helps with getting the movies going and recording like a presentation.